Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you guys a quick, easy brow tutorial on brows. Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a quick and easy way to fill in your brows using brow pencils. So if you guys want to see how I fill in my brows, then make sure to stay tuned. Okay, for today's video, we're going to be using a brow pencil, and brow pencils come in all different shapes, sizes, prices. As long as it's a pencil, it's gonna work about the same. Some really good affordable brow pencils are the Maybelline Expert, and that's what she looks like. Just a little pencil. A good one is the Browy Wowie, and I like this one because it has sort of a weird angled top. It's easy to do your brow with, and it also comes with a spoolie on the end. Now, for those of you who don't know what a spoolie is basically just a little tiny brush that either comes on the end of eyeliners like that one, or they come on by themselves. So that is what a spoolie is, if you guys didn't know, and they are amazing. They are used to help comb your eyebrow hair. So you can use them without any product. If you guys have naturally thick, bushy eyebrows, you know, you can use it to comb your eyebrows in place. And the spoolie is also used to help comb the product through your eyebrow hairs to, you know, make it look more natural. Today we're going to be using the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Chocolate. It has the pencil on the end and then the spoolie on this end, and this honestly is my favorite brow product. It's a little more expensive, so if you guys wanted to start out with something else that's a little more affordable, then feel free to do, you know, use whatever product you want to use. But I do recommend this if you guys wanted a really, really good brow pencil. Super easy to use, and like I said, the spoolie on this one is really, really good. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is just give your brow hair a really good brush with that spoolie, and I'm just brushing the hair in the direction that it grows. Okay, so the next thing I do is draw a straight line under my brow. Now this is going to determine how straight your brow is, how thick your brow is. You can just follow your natural hair, or like I'm doing, I'm just going a little bit below to thicken that brow up a little bit. Okay, for the tail of my brow, I'm just going to fill that in, sort of making like a triangle and bringing that to a point. Okay, so now with the spoolie, you're going to sort of disperse that product into your brow. I always like to comb the hair still in the direction that it grows. It also pushes the product in that direction. It sort of makes it look more like hair. So yeah, I'm just brushing all that through. Okay, so now that you comb that through, you can see where there's some sparse areas. So I'm just going to go back in with short strokes and fill those areas in. Okay, so now I'm just going in with a damp Q-tip and cleaning up the areas that I sort of messed up or that I think are too thick. You can also do this with concealer, but I don't want to do all that, and a Q-tip's just quicker. Okay, so next you want to drag that first line that you made down further towards the middle of your face, or your glabella, a little medical terminology for you guys. We're going to be using that to start our inner corner of our brow. And as you can see here, I am flicking that line up and into the rest of my brow. Okay, and to emulate, you know, brow hairs, you want to start flicking the product up, again, because that's how the brow hair grows in the middle right there. So short little strokes like brow hairs. Okay, so you guys can see that I'm doing that flicking motion up towards the center and the tail end of my brow. I do that because I like the way it looks. It looks fluffy and thick, and I love a thick ass eyebrow. You guys don't have to do that if you don't want to, though. You guys can keep that towards, you know, the front end of the eyebrow, and it looks just as good. Okay, so just to recap, you're gonna make that straight line, the guideline, under your brow. Next, you're gonna fill in that triangle section for your tail end. And then you're gonna flick the pencil up towards your forehead for your inner corner of your brow. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other brow so you guys can see how quick of a process it is. It literally only takes me maybe 2 or 3 minutes to do a brow. This pencil is so much more easier than a dip brow or a pomade. It's just super quick and I prefer it when I'm being hella lazy. Just make sure when you're using pencils that you use the spoolie to comb that product through. Otherwise it can clump up and it doesn't look very natural. So you see with those short little flicks of the pencil going up towards your hairline that it creates hair that is not there. It's like growing hair in front of your eyes. Okay, again with the Q-tip to clean up any of those areas that I done fucked up. And like I said, you can use concealer, but I'm not doing all that. It's just, that's too much work. Okay, so I'm about done here. I'm just making sure that they match up. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook at MakeupMenaree. I'll see y'all later.